One Chinese city is also developing a high-tech manufacturing industry, and a new government plan may help it become a so-called smart manufacturing center. Wu Ying takes a look at Shanghai's push into the future.
Developers of this machine, named InShow, say the digital fitting room will change the way people buy clothes. It will first scan your body to create a 3D model. And then you can try on clothes at an online or regular store without going into a real fitting room. The project was set up by a group of students who returned to China from overseas. They want to build 500 of the 3D scanners and set them up in commercial areas around the city over the next 3 years. But that goal faces a number of hurdles.
For now, the first one, I think it's this industry is quite new, even for the smart manufacturing. So we probably have a lack of people who both know how to make it and also how to sell it, right? So and the second one is that the idea we already realized it, but we still have a lack of investment to put it in a mass production.
One investment manager told ICS there are currently more than 1,000 startup projects in town focusing on smart manufacturing, such as wearable devices, virtual reality glasses, and robots for the home. But only a few dozens have successfully found investors and entered the market.
The core problem is the technology, and such smart devices need a lot of money for the R&D period, which usually takes 2 to 3 years. Without the money input, such projects cannot be carried on. So with such limitation, though some projects have really good ideas, they can't last long.
However, Xu said many investors are looking for good projects in the area, now that the government has announced policies to promote the industry. But successful companies will need more than high-tech skills.
Some teams have really good ideas, but they don't know much about manufacturing and sourcing. So they can make a sample machine and test it well. But when it is put into mass production, they will show big problems such as cost control and an inability to make money. So the team should have experience in manufacturing and sourcing.
In June, the city rolled out a series of measures to help turn Shanghai into a global science and innovation center over the next few years, with a focus on smart manufacturing. Earlier this month, the city's Lingang area announced a number of preferential policies to build itself into a global center for smart manufacturing by 2020. Wing ICS for CCTV, Shanghai.